हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं करंट डिवीजन रूल। वी आर गिवन ए सर्किट with current source and two resistors. We have to find the current across this resistor R1 and across this resistor R2. As we know, these resistors are connected parallelly, so the current here will get divided. The current will be I1 across this resistor R1 and the current I2 will be across R2. In order to find the value of I1 and I2, we will use a shortcut rule which you have to remember. The value of I1 will be equal to total current, which is I, into other resistor, not the resistor in which we have to find the current, some other resistor which is R2, divided by sum of the resistances R1 plus R2. So the value of I2 will be total current, which is I, other resistor which is R1 divided by R1 plus R2. Now we can solve a numerical in order to cross check the results whether they are correct or not. So we will give the value to the variables. We can put I is equal to 2 amperes. We will give the value of R1 2 ohm and the value of R2 4 ohm. The value of R2 is double the value of R1. So the current in R1 should be double than the value of current in R2. So we can write I1 is equal to total current, which is 2 amperes into some other resistor, which is R2, 4 divided by sum of resistances. 4 plus 2 is 4 plus 2, which is equal to 2 into 4 divided by 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are 4 by 3 amperes. So value of I2 will be total current, which is 2 into some other resistance, which is R1 2 ohms divided by 4 plus 2 sum of resistances, which is 2 into 2 divided by 4. 2 plus 2 is 6. 2 ones are 2 threes are 2 by 3. From this it is clear that the value of I1 is double than the value of I2. So this shortcut which we have used is correct. Thank you.